Every organization has people working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly, and often they're the first voice you hear and the first impression you get. Today, we will get to know the voice behind the scenes, the help desk representative at the IICRC. From managing the front desk and handling supply orders to answering calls and guiding both technicians and consumers, this professional plays a key role in connecting people to the information and resources they need.
I man the front desk here, so I deal with all the mail carriers that come and pick up our mail and our certifications for our techs. I also do the supply orders for all of our techs, so if you've ever ordered patches, pins, or plaques, I've handled that. And then I help out around the office in different ways as well. I deliver food to people because I'm the front desk, so I'll deliver their Uber Eats orders. I'll help with little jobs in the kitchen. I'm also on the party planning committee, so we throw team buildings. I decorate for people's birthdays. And I'm option 5, so I'm the help desk option 5. So I get all the random questions, and most of the time I'm helping other departments get them transferred to the departments, or just helping the departments in general answer the help questions that people don't know quite where to reach out to or where to go. Technicians are always calling in about renewals or just how to navigate their account. And then outside consumers often call about locating pros. They want to know where they can find IICRC certified professionals, and so we help them out on our website. We have the Global Locator where firms and master technicians are, and so yeah, we get a lot of those calls. Oh, Saturday night, I'm usually cuddled up with my cats. I got 2. I love a good movie, so a classic movie. I'm also like action-packed, but a good movie on a Saturday night is perfect for me.